A big challenge in our industry is that clinical trials can take too long to plan. We've also got to carry them out with multiple investigator sites, and that's no easy thing. Because of these hurdles, developing new drugs can become really expensive and high risk, which means the process of bringing new innovative therapies to market is a slow one. And everyone loses, including patients who want the latest treatment. But here's the fundamental disconnect. Patients are willing and interested in participating in clinical research. Without a doubt, they want to receive cutting-edge treatments. However, patient participation remains really low. Why? Let's flag the 3 specific barriers that can close the gap between high patient interest and low patient participation: patient geography, low awareness of research opportunities, and a trust barrier. At Science 37, we've carefully studied the challenge and come up with a strategic solution. Our clinical trials use a metasite or decentralized model. What does that mean? For starters, we simply eliminate the first barrier, patient geography, and we do it by moving the heart of research from the hospital into the comfort of a patient's home. By doing this, we increase patient access. Now patients who want to participate in research studies can. Let's take a closer look at how it all works. The basic flow through a study is the same as a conventional brick-and-mortar site, but NORA makes all the difference. NORA, short for Network-Oriented Research Assistant, is the technology platform that allows Science 37 to bring research directly to participants in their homes. NORA integrates telemedicine technology into the clinical research process and supports Science 37's management of clinical trials. Here's a step-by-step. First, recruitment. Science 37 takes a comprehensive approach to drive awareness. That involves direct-to-patient, direct-to-clinician, and database mining strategies. Specifically, we launch advertisements across various digital channels like Facebook. We also partner with patient advocacy groups and physician professional organizations, distribute brochures in the community, and tap into EHRs, pharmacies, and national lab databases. Recruitment metrics flow seamlessly into NORA, and those are then used to evaluate and optimize recruitment strategies in a highly adaptable way. This step allows us to effectively address the hurdle of patients' low awareness of research opportunities. After they're aware and engaged, interested patients can sign up. Then, a Science 37 CRC will contact them directly to complete a pre-screening questionnaire via phone. The process is systematic and, equally important, human. Even patients without internet access can simply call Science 37 directly. Eligible participants will move on to the next step, the informed consent process. Keep in mind, our Science 37 study team will conduct the informed consent process virtually, directly through NORA. The participant can read and review the informed consent documents through NORA's e-consent module from wherever they are, on their time. It's about building trust every step of the way and making it easier on participants. That's key to increasing the engagement with the trial. The participant may agree to take part in the study and then sign the required documents in NORA. Those are then countersigned by the investigator or study team designee. After a reasonable amount of time has been given to read the consent and address questions. Once a participant has completed the informed consent process and is ready to begin the study, they'll receive a Science 37 study iPhone of their own with the NORA mobile app. With the right tool in hand, we're all set to begin study activities. Study visits are conducted via telemedicine, really similar to FaceTime. The CRC orchestrates all study visits and brings the right people together in a NORA video call. The investigator, participant, and mobile nurse or phlebotomist. And if it's feasible, that's all happening from the comfort of their home. Data is entered in real time by the study team. It can also be entered by a study participant or mobile nurse. Remember, it's all transmitted in real time so that no data is ever stored on the iPhone device. This protects the participant's privacy. And instead of traveling to a site to pick up investigational product, at Science 37, it's shipped right to study participants wherever they are in the US. Investigational product is stored on-site at Science 37 according to the sponsor's conditions. Those conditions are safeguarded for the entirety of the journey from Science 37 to the study participant's home. Here's another important point. Throughout the study, participants receive text reminders to administer their study drug and complete other patient-reported outcomes, questionnaires, and tasks in NORA right from their Science 37 study iPhone. What if a study visit assessment requires special imaging or lab work? Easy. CRCs will source a local hospital, clinic, or lab right in the study participant's locale that can fulfill the task. Requisitions and results are sent right to the CRC for entry into NORA and investigator review. And along the way, data is securely captured and stored in NORA according to the sponsor's and IRB's requirements. Data may be transcribed or transferred to the sponsor's EDC if a separate system is used. And all changes to source documentation are captured via an electronic audit trail. And that's a decentralized clinical trial in a nutshell, completed in record time. Science 37 is reinventing the world of clinical trials, putting patients front and center. We're excited to partner with you along this journey. Together, let's continue to drive positive health outcomes and connect the world to the best scientists.